Zhou Liujun, senior official from the Ministry of Commerce, says ODI from local enterprises has experienced rapid growth momentum.
It reached $26 billion in the first 2 months, nearly 3 times of year-on-year increase, accounting for over 80% of the total amount. In particular, the ODI from 11 provinces and municipalities along the Yangtze River Economic Zone is over $10 billion, nearly 4 times of year-on-year increase.
Zhou attributed the surge to the Belt and Road Initiative, as well as the government's favorable policies towards outbound investments. It's being reported that China's central bank has drafted plans for a new tax on foreign exchange transactions that would help curb currency speculation. Bloomberg has reported that the initial rate of the so-called Tobin tax may be kept at zero to allow authorities time to refine the rules. The report adds that the tax is not designed to disrupt hedging and other foreign exchange transactions undertaken by companies. The Tobin tax takes its name from U.S. economist James Tobin, who in 1972 suggested taking a cut of foreign exchange trades to limit currency speculation. It is said the potential rules still need government approval. China Securities Regulatory Commission says a Stock Connect scheme between the Shenzhen and Hong Kong bourses is expected to be launched this year. Shenzhen Hong Kong Stock Connect will allow investors to trade on both bourses under a quota system. It's seen as a move toward a closer relationship between the financial markets of Hong Kong and the Chinese mainland. China established the Shanghai Hong Kong Stock Connect in 2014, aiming to further open the mainland capital market to the outside world. It has operated steadily since its launch.